Hey guys, in this video I will show you a few hidden features in Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Number 1. Erase in the Gallery app. This feature is very useful if you want to remove an object or a line in your photo. Choose an image in the gallery, then click on Edit icon. Now scroll to the left. You will see the Erase option. Click on that. Now, look at the image, which object you want to remove, and then click on that place. You can increase the size of the selection. Once you're done, the object will be removed automatically. The second one is to stabilize 4K video. Redmi Note 9 series only supports video stabilization up to 1080p at 30 fps. Using this trick, you can stabilize 4K videos. The first step is to open Google Photos and choose the video you want. Now at the bottom, click on the Edit icon and click on Stabilize. It will take about 20 to 30 seconds to stabilize this video. It uses Google's machine learning algorithm to stabilize the video. Once you're done, you can see the before and after. Number 3 is to hide the hole punch cutout. If you don't like the camera cutout on your Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, go to the settings, then search Notch and click Hide Notch. This will show you 3 options to black out the top area. Number 4. If you're worried about the storage space when you record 4K or Full HD video, you can actually reduce the size of each video. Just open Camera, choose Video, and then go to Settings. In the Video Encoder settings, choose H.265 High Performance. This is the newest codec that will reduce the size of your video by 20 to 40%. Number 5. Make animations faster. MIUI has slow animations. To make it faster, go to the settings and click About Phone. Tap on the MIUI version 5 times. Then developer options will be enabled. Click on Additional Settings and Developer Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the list, then click on Windows Animation and set it to 0.5. Change the other animation settings if you want. These are the 5 hidden features in Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Redmi Note 9 Pro. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.